Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to activate and use your One4All gift card. A One4All gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to purchase goods and services from a wide range of retailers. To get started, you will need to activate your gift card. First, locate the activation details on the back of your gift card or on the packaging it came in. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and email address to activate your card. Once you have this information, go to the One4All website and click on the Activate Card section. Enter your gift card number and the required personal details. Then submit the form. You will receive an email to confirm that your card has been activated. It is essential to activate your card to ensure that it is secure and ready for use. After activating your card, you can check the balance by visiting the One4All website or by contacting their customer service team. You can use your One4All gift card at any retailer that accepts it, both online and in-store. Simply present your card at the checkout, and the retailer will process the payment. When using your gift card online, select the One4All gift card option at checkout. Then enter your card details to complete the payment. It is crucial to keep track of your balance to avoid any declined transactions. To get the most out of your One4All gift card, make sure to use it within the expiration date, which can be found on the back of the card. You can also use your gift card to purchase gift cards from other retailers, allowing you to choose from a wide range of brands and products. In case you encounter any issues or have questions about your One4All gift card, you can contact their customer service team for assistance. They are available to help you with any queries or concerns you may have. By following these simple steps, you can easily activate and use your One4All gift card to purchase the things you want and need. Remember to always keep track of your balance and use your card within the expiration date to get the most value out of it.